With the unit on its side, place the biscuits into the slots to position the shelves. Now position the bottom shelf onto the biscuit. This is the piece with the slot at the rear. It will be facing upwards. Be sure to align the channel of the side and the shelf. Position the top shelf so the recessed holes are on the top face. Again, being mindful of the alignment of the side panel and the channels. Using the bottom graphic as a guide, align the channels on the side panel, bottom shelf, and top shelf. Secure the shelves into position with the screws. Apply downward pressure to drive the screw and ensure firm attachment. Position the mid-shelf so its back edge is resting against the bottom graphic. Then fasten it into place. After placing the wood biscuits, cap off the assembly with the opposite side panel, ensuring the bottom graphic is trapped in at all four sides. To help with positioning the panel, try using the rear channel to first hook onto the exposed edge of the bottom graphic, then lock onto the biscuits. For ease of assembly, it may be helpful to turn the display onto the opposite side for leverage into fastening. Before fastening the shelves, be sure that the channels along the top all line up uninterrupted. Conduct a final inspection for rigidity and strength before loading the product onto the display. Turn the display upright and insert the top graphic into the channels. It is now ready for product.